Hey family.
Hey family.
Hey y'all. Hey. Hope it's all good. Hope it's all good in the neighborhood, y'all. Y'all, we have a quick recipe for this punch I like to make.
Yes.
And we make it for all holidays.
Yes, we do.
All holidays, barbecues, picnics, family reunions, and it's just a delicious punch. It's so simple. Only a few ingredients that goes in there. But the main thing, it needs to be cold.
Yeah, very cold.
Yeah, very cold. So if you're going to use glasses to pour it in, put your glasses in the freezer for a few minutes. Make sure they don't crack.
Yes.
And I put them in the freezer for a few minutes. And you can also put the punch if you're going to put it in a steel bowl or something in the freezer. But if I'm going to drink any kind of punch, it's got to be cold.
Yes.
I love cold punches. So Sister Pam is in the house.
Hey family.
And we're going to go ahead and get to this delicious punch. So God, we just thank you for providing. Thank you for the provisions you have made for us to get the items that we need to make this delicious punch. God, we just thank you for being our provider, Jehovah Jireh. We just thank you for that. And we ask you to bless our sisters and brothers, nieces and nephews. We ask you to bless each and every one of them in Jesus' name. So y'all, this is going to be a quick video also. I just wanted to bring some of the things that we like to have, like going toward the summer. You can make punch anytime or whatever, but I thought it was very easy, and we're going to make it with frozen drinks. And Minute Maid is getting ready to get rid of all of their frozen drinks. And we've been buying Minute Maid frozen drinks forever. They get ready to get rid of them. And so go ahead, if you want them, go ahead and stock up on them and put them in your freezer. They will freeze forever. But yeah, Minute Maid is going to discontinue their frozen section, for us, like their juices and all. And back in the day, Mom and them used to get a pitcher and get that frozen Minute Maid orange juice and pour that in there and put a little water so you have some orange juice. So they're going to discontinue all of their juices. They had good juices. So but thank God that different stores have their own brand, like Publix and Kroger's and all. But after a while you won't find Minute Maid in there anymore. So let's go ahead and get this delicious punch going. But y'all, I'm dusty. Okay, all right. Okay, family, so this is what we're going to need. We have our punch bowl here. We have ginger ale. We have frozen concentrated lime juice. We have pineapple juice. I love that. And these came from Kroger's. We have lemon. And we have some frozen strawberries, also oranges and lime. So we're going to go ahead and get this made. It's going to be so easy and quick. The first thing we're going in with is going to be our frozen juices. And we're going to take and add a little water to those, okay? And you may add sugar to this recipe if you want, but it's going to be sweet enough for us with this with these frozen juices. Okay, family, here we go.
Going in with lime.
So let me know if you ever use any of these frozen juices.
Going in with the pineapple.
Yeah, frozen juices to make punch with. I love them. I absolutely love them. So we're going in with some water. And we're going to get this stirred up, broke up. Going to break it up. And it's best if you put even your Canada Dry. If you use Canada Dry ginger ale, or if you're going to use Sprite or whatever, put it in the freezer, which we didn't. But go ahead and put it in the freezer for about an hour, okay? Because it's going to help keep this cold. Okay, family, we're going in with some ice. And we're going in with a little more ice. I have a little more ice, okay? Okay, family, so we have our ice in. And the pineapple in this drink is absolutely delicious. Delicious. So sister is opening up our we don't want it to go everywhere. She's opening up our ginger ale. And also if you having a lot of people over, if you don't put at least 2 ginger ales, all depends on how big your punch bowl is. So we're going in with ginger ale. This is cranberry. We love the cranberry ginger ale. So make sure it's cold, y'all. Make sure it's good and cold already. Okay, family, so we're going in with some limes. And y'all, this is such a refreshing drink in the summertime. Just refreshing. I like a lot of limes in mine. So we're going in with some oranges. Oh, those are lemons. Okay. We're going in with our oranges. We're going in with our strawberries, and these are frozen strawberries. And we'll probably get I'm going to get a few more, add a few more, because I love strawberries in this drink. So let's get a few more strawberries. Okay. So family, here's our delicious punch. And this was easy, wasn't it? As 1, 2, 3, you have a festive, a really nice punch for the summer. And this is delicious. We didn't have to use, I got one of these, sister got one of these just in case we didn't have a full punch bowl, but use that, let me show them this cranberry ginger ale. I'm surprised they have this out, but the cranberry ginger ale, use that. And then your pineapple juice and your lime juice. Oh my goodness. And if you want to put a couple of slices of pineapple in here, you are more than welcome to do that. More than welcome. So we're finna get ready to take a taste of this delicious punch. This is our summertime punch. Yes. Made it many times. Delicious. Okay, family, let's stir this all up from the bottom. Oh my goodness, I'm thirsty. Me too. Yeah. Okay, family, wasn't that quick? Wasn't that quick and easy? Yes, it was. And here's our drink. Cheers. Y'all, this is the best, the absolute, I should have got a napkin, but that's okay. This is the absolute best drink for the summertime. But make sure you have everything cold. Even if you want to put your fruit in the freezer for a couple of hours, cut it up ahead of time. Just everything really needs to be frozen. Cut your fruit up, put it in the freezer, put your ginger ale, 7-Up, whatever you're going to use, put that in the freezer. Let everything be cold, and you will have a good drink. But this is good. Let's try. That is delicious. I love it. Y'all, that pineapple and that lime is hitting it, isn't it? Yes, it is. That pineapple and lime is so delicious, y'all. It is absolutely delicious. So y'all, please try my recipe. Our recipe for this delicious drink. And we had that's so good. It's a spot. Yeah, and we had, I told you a while back, we got a lot of frozen strawberries. So we had strawberries already frozen. And so it's good if you could just cut up everything, freeze it for a while. Even if you want to freeze it a day ahead and just put that together. And then what I do, I would use the frozen concentrate and maybe the water in there, get that all mixed up. Then go ahead and pour your first batch of ice in there. And then after that, you put your 7 ginger ale in there, and then you add put some more ice in there and add your fruit in there, y'all. This is the best summertime drink you could ever taste. So I want you all to try this and come back and let me know how you like it, y'all. This is our recipe for this delicious summertime drink. That's what you think. I love it. And I suggest you use the cranberry ginger ale because it's very good. And utilize those frozen drinks. You see mine are almost gone. Look at that. So, and just think about it. Your food everything be frozen. It's really gonna be good. Very refreshing. We gave Boo a glass. He coming back for another one. You get hot and you gotta worry about it. And those drinks are definitely sweet enough. So please don't add any more sugar to this. This is absolutely delicious. So I'm going in for my second glass. Be good to yourself. And if you be good to yourself, you have no other choice but to be good to others. Take this hand, put it on this shoulder, and pat yourself on the back. And know you are worthy. Always. You are the apple of God's eye. Every hair on your wonderful, beautiful head has already been numbered. He know who you are, where you going, where you been, and boo, he know how you gonna get there. So y'all keep y'all head up. Stay positive. Stay prayed up. Look to his becoming your help. Because your help coming from the Lord. Y'all, we love each and every one of y'all. I love y'all. each and every one. We
Yes.
appreciate you all watching.
Yes, we do.
If you don't mind, share this drink out with your family
Yes.
and let them tell you how fabulous this drink is.
Yes.
I wouldn't add anything else to
nothing.
it. I do it just like we told you,
Yes.
and then let us know this drink is wonderful. And I love to mix juices and mix drinks, so we came up a while back with this, and it is absolutely delicious. So this is our recipe for a delicious summertime punch.
Yes.
If you need one,
Yes, it is.
weddings,
Yes.
baby showers,
Yes.
birthdays,
Anniversaries.
Anniversary.
Yeah.
This is it.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see y'all. We love y'all. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.